Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can look at the inventory of your pets clearer than the inventory down here and grow a garden. So somehow I just realized this, or if it's new maybe, if you go to shop and go to the pet section, go to the free upgrade one. If you go to the sell section, you'll see your pets here, and you're also able to sell them from here. You'll see their age, their weight, and what kind you have, like what pet you have. For instance, you want to sell a cat, you can just press on it and press sell. You can also see how much they're worth. If you want to sell all, you can also see how much all of your pet is worth here. So yeah, you can very clearly see, and I think if you have like duplicates, you'll be able to see them side by side, I think. Let me see, actually. Let me pick up the rhinos that I have here. I think I do have to like pick them up first. Okay, maybe they're not necessarily side by side, but I think it's going to be easier to see if you have duplicates that you don't need here. I don't think you can favorite them here. You can still favorite them in your inventory, but yeah, it's easier to see how much they're worth. You can also click more than one if you want to sell more than one here. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!